Hey, what's up, guys? It's Joel Benavides with the BlokSquawk podcast and Twitch stream / YouTube channel / Stitcher, Spotify, you name it. Anyway, today is the 20th of December, and we are at 9:35 a.m. Central Standard Time, about an hour after market open, New York open rather. And so we're going to take a look at what's been going on in the crypto market and see if there are any opportunities ahead. Let's take a look and jump on over to the heat map and take a look at what Bitcoin has done in the last 24 hours. So Bitcoin is slightly green, up nearly 5 points on the day and trading at 4,069 and a quarter. Bitcoin Cash is solidly green at 36.5 points up, as is BSV and XVG. The rest of the market's pretty mixed. ETH is up 3 points. XRP is down 2.3, nearly 2.3%. EOS down 2.5 points. Stellar Lumen's down nearly half a point, and Cardano nearly flat. So those are just a few of the things that we're seeing on the heat map. Let's take a look at the Squawk. For those of you tuning in or listening for the first time, a Squawk is basically an auctioneer style readout of market conditions, etc. And so we're gonna run through a few top choice coins. You'll hear the name of the coin, the symbol, its ranking according to its market cap, basically the money inside it, the price it's trading at, change over the last 24 hours in the last week, and 24-hour volume in USD. So let's get to it, and we're going to start with NEO's derivative, gas. Gas coming in at 132nd by market cap, trading at $2.09. That's up 1.71% of the day, up 21.2% on the week, and 24-hour traded volume is 374,410. And from this point on, guys, 24-hour volume in USD is going to be an approximation accurate within 100,000 USD. So let's get on with the rest of it. Electronium ETN in at 60th, trading at 0.7 cents, up 8.52% of the day, up 19.9% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume 563,000. Augur REP in at 56th, trading at 7.42, up 2.66% of the day, up 14.84% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume is 1.8 million. Biden BTM in at 55, trading at 8.3, up 2.93% of the day, up 13.63% of the week. 24-hour traded volume 4.2 million. Gemini Dollar GUSD in at 47, trading at 1.10, up 5.76 on the day, up. I'm so used to saying down. Up 9.94% on the weekend. 24-hour traded volume 38.5 mil. Icon ICX in at 43rd, trading at 24.2 cents, up 3.07% of the day, up 19.62% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume 12 million. Verge XVG in at 42nd, trading at 0.8 cents, up 11.93% of the day, up 42.71% of the week. 24-hour traded volume 3.6 mil. Digibyte DGB in at 40, trading at 1.2 cents, up 3.42% of the day, up 45.26% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume is 2 million. Basic Attention B18 at 33, trading at 14.5 cents, up 1.32% of the day, up 6.61% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 5.8 mil. Lisk LSK in at 32, trading at 1.59, up 4.81% of the day, up 34.27% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 7.4 mil. 0x by the symbol ZRX in at 31st by market cap, trading at 34.7 cents, up 4.02% of the day, up 15.96% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 15.1 mil. Ontology ONT in at 30th, trading at 66.7 cents, up 0.98% of the day, up 26.83% on the weekend. 24-hour traded volume is 38.3 mil. Quantum QTUM in at 29th, trading at 2.38. That's up 2.17% of the day, up 27.61% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 303.1 mil. VeChain VET in it 25th, trading at 0.4 cents, up 2.85% of the day, up 22.12% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 9.3 mil. Tezos XTZ in at 23, trading at 47.8 cents, up 3.08% of the day, up 20.42% of the week. 24-hour traded volume 2.2 mil. Dogecoin DOGE in at 21, trading at 0.2 cents, up 0.82% of the day, up 30.65% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume 24.2 million. Moving in the top 20 now, guys. Top 20, Zcash, ZEC in at 20th, trading at 63 and 38, up 6.11% of the day, up 18.31% of the day, on the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 126.5 mil. NEO in at 18th, trading at 7 and 29, up 2.38% of the day, up 23.28% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume 155.3 mil. Ethereum Classic ETC in at 17, trading at 4 and 75, up 4.39% of the day, up 22.26% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume 179.2 mil. NAM XEM in at 16, trading at 7.4 cents, up 4.47% on the day, up 9.8% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume 13.2 mil. Dash by the same symbol in at 15th, trading at 81 and 35, up 5.17% of the day, up 26.94% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 144.4 mil. Binance BNB in at 14th, trading at 5 and 87. That's up 3.02% of the day, up 21.51% of the week. 24-hour traded volume was 22.5 mil. XMR Monero in at 13th, trading at 51 and 56, up 5.97% of the day, up 21.04% for the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 17.1 million. IOTA by the symbol MIOTA in at 12th, trading at 33.0 cents. That's up 10.64% of the day, up 46.19% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 21 mil. Cardano ADA in at 11th, trading at 3.7 cents, up 3.18% of the day, up 24.06% on the weekend. 24-hour traded volume was 36.4 million. Moving into the top 10 now, guys. Top 10 are Tron TRX in at 10th, trading at 1.7 cents, up 3.35% of the day, up 28.66% of the weekend. 24-hour traded volume was 149.3 million. Bitcoin BSV in at 9th, trading at 107 and 18. That's up 17.36. Correction, new numbers now, guys. Updated numbers. BSV is up 18.17% for the day. Must have just pumped. And up 27.27% for the week. 24-hour traded volume there on BSV, guys, was 273.6 million. Tether USDT in at 8th, trading at 1 and 2, up 0.6% of the day, up 2 points on the week. 24-hour traded volume 6 bill. That's 6 billion. Litecoin LTC in at 7th, trading at 32 and 9, up 4.63% for the day, up 32.96% of the week. 24-hour traded volume 715.1 million. Stellar XLM in at 6th, trading at 12.3 cents. That's up 2.15% of the day, up 11.43% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 113.2 mil. EOS by the same symbol in at 5th, trading at 2 and 68, up 1.7% of the day, up 38.4% on the weekend. 24-hour traded volume was 1.3 bill. Ethereum ETC in at 3rd, trading at 110 and 92, up 5.42% on the day, up 23.67% on the week. 24-hour traded volume 2.7 billion. XRP by the same symbol in at 2nd, trading at 37.4 cents. That's actually down 0.68% on the day, but still up 23.45% for the week. 24-hour traded volume $1 billion. Bitcoin, so finally, Bitcoin BTC in at 1st, trading at $4,108.83. That's up 6.93% today, and up 20.42% of the week. 24-hour traded volume on Bitcoin, guys, is actually at 8 billion, just above 8 billion. Total market cap in at 132.3 billion. 24-hour traded volume total is 23.7 billion, and Bitcoin dominance at 54%. That's going to do it for our coin market cap readout, and that data is aggregated by Apogee Crypto. Moving on, let's go to head over to Crypto Panic. I didn't really have a chance to front run a whole lot on the news today, but Bitcoin Cash is in a bullish surge. I'm not sure how much I agree with this story from Blocked. We just saw the numbers are actually down today, and there was another story down here on that. It's actually hitting resistance after a bull surge. So I'm just going to skip right over that. 15 minutes ago from Block.com. Also, Coinbase talks about largest crypto transfer on record. 32 minutes ago, Bitcoin exchange Bithumb is reported by researchers as likely fronting fake volume. And you know, I kind of thought about that, guys, because we're looking at the heat map like a week ago, and we're looking at volume reported by exchanges. You know, I really didn't pay attention to Bithumb. I mean, I knew of it, but you know, it was right up there with the heavy hitters, and I'm like, who are these guys? So that would be interesting. It wouldn't surprise me. That was about 33 minutes ago from ccn.com. 37 minutes ago from Crypto Briefing, has Coinbase jumped the shark? 40 minutes ago from Block.com again, Ripple's XRP meets resistance at $0.4 or 40 cents after bullish surge. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. And we just saw those numbers, guys. Those numbers are updated. So maybe it's continuing its move, riding the overall tide of the market, which is upwards. 43 minutes ago from BitcoinNews.com, upwards and onwards for South Korea's crypto investors. 44 minutes ago, which blockchain phone to add to your Christmas wish list? Yeah, there's plenty of blockchain phones coming out, guys. So might be smart to look at that. Let's skip over the recent news and look at what's trending right now. 4 hours ago, IOTA and Audi provide details about their collaboration. We talked about that a couple weeks ago. It'll be interesting to see if Tesla is going to start incorporating blockchain technology. 7 hours ago from CoinView.com, Brad Glaringhouse explains why Ripple is not a security. 7 hours ago from CryptoSlate.com, Tether's $1 billion reserves may not equate to one-to-one backing. 11 hours ago from thedailyhodl.com, Binance CEO gears up for launch of 10 new crypto exchanges. 11 hours ago, Tron Arcade wants to break open the gaming industry for blockchain. That's from ccn.com about 11 hours ago. 13 hours ago from CryptoSlate again, cryptocurrency markets rally 15%, Bitcoin value increases $500. And we'll take a look at that here in a minute on the TA segment. 2 days ago from two sources, Western Union said it's ready for crypto tests with Ripple and XRP. Good move, Western Union, because this was Blockbuster, the specter of Blockbuster, looking at you from the future. And if you didn't make this move, you would surely have fallen off. I'm sure they started seeing their bottom line shrinking as crypto moved up in the world. This just popped up 12 minutes ago from block.com. Bitcoin Cash continues bullish. Oh no, I don't know what that was about. I think one of these stories was implanted after the fact. So we're gonna skip over Twitter today, but if you want to reach out to me on Twitter, I'm right here. If you're looking at your screen, at Joel Benavides, and to reach out to me is really the best way to get a hold of me. We're not going to go over any kind of Twitter news today because I'm a little bit in a rush. But let's take a brief look at the daily chart. These are daily candles, and we're looking over the last month or so, and we can see that we took this dip, a day that'll live in recent infamy, the 14th of November, which we started to drop, but we consolidated within the last couple of days, and over the last week, or we consolidated within the last week, and over the last couple of days, we began this bullish surge. And we're hitting a little bit of resistance right here at 39.92. We broke it and reached about 4,100 this morning, and it looks like we're coming back down to close maybe beneath this line of resistance. So we're talking about this over here on the SATX crypto chat room this morning, talking about potential highs and lows, higher highs, higher lows. And so we're really going to be looking for closes above 42.35 and highs above 44.14 to give us a higher high. And if we can manage that, then we'll be looking for higher lows above 31.27 and higher closes above approximately 31.80. So we'll see how that plays out, guys. If we get a higher high and a higher low, we'll look for additional highs and lows to confirm that, and we may be in the process of an intermediate uptrend. Now, if that fractalizes out onto the daily chart and we begin breaking these higher highs, it could potentially translate into a long-term Dow style or Dow theory style reversal of the Bitcoin market. But that's just me being hopeful. I don't think that we're going to get there. I forgot to save it. I had drawn a trend channel, a pitchfork, breaking out above this one, and so I'll get around to that a little bit later. Next time you guys are on, you'll get to see that trend channel breaking out above, but by that time we may invalidate. So we'll see how that turns out. Right now Bitcoin is trading at 39.97, and we'll continue to monitor the markets. We're looking at XBT by the way, guys. Right now XBT is Bitcoin on BitMEX. And so we'll see how things work out. That's going to do it for me for the stream and the podcast today. I really don't have anything else except have a good holiday and happy trading. Good luck trading. If you have any questions, reach out to me, as I said before, on Twitter. I'm at Joel Benavides, and you can likely see that on your screen. Otherwise, we will see you guys on the flip side. Cheers.